This house, located in one of the coastal condominiums south of Lima, posed the challenge of creating a vacation home while offering the opportunity to reinterpret an authentic model, Le Corbusier's Maison Domino. Building regulations for the small semi-detached 15 by 8 meter lot only allowed the construction of a single-story house with a rooftop terrace. This restriction ensures that all homeowners have the same opportunity to enjoy the space and views offered by the development. Accordingly, the design team created a single-story house with an open floor plan, a rooftop deck, and a basement. The modular structure of columns, iron beams, and concrete blocks contrasts with the organic form of the spiral staircase, creating visual balance. This vertical circulation element stands out as a poetic feature inspired by maritime design, providing a counterpoint between orthogonal and curved forms. As a project, the Dom-Ino distills modern architecture into a set of abstract, idealized, and guiding principles. This is one of the main reasons why the legacy of Dom-Ino can still be seen and felt today, more than 100 years later. The main floor includes a living room, kitchen, and dining area. In keeping with the Maison Domino design, the house features a staircase, but it was positioned in the center. The recreational use of the 303 square meter house, designed for the owners and their guests during summer weekends, contrasts with its minimal use throughout the rest of the year. Therefore, its design accommodates the contrasting functions of the project: open and social in the summer, private and intimate in the winter. The public spaces are organized from the rooftop terrace to the basement, with the main floor serving as an intermediate level that includes compact bedrooms. The lot, set back from the beach and surrounded by a wooded area, provides natural privacy, allowing for more transparent enclosures. This reflects the open style of the owners and the need for natural lighting. The Asia House exemplifies how proper structure and design must go hand in hand when creating buildings that face size limitations and building regulations.